Hi guys, this is Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing for you guys Sirona Hygiene range, and this is a brand that has been there in the women's hygiene since pretty long, and they have brought out 3 products that I tested this time for you guys, and I wanted to share my thoughts about each of the products. So it's like a review and an overview. So let's get started with our video. So I'll be reviewing for you guys these 3 products. Let's start with exfoliating face wash. I generally exfoliate using a scrub or I do a face wash. These are 2 different products for me, but they've combined both of the products and made them into one. The packaging, this is how the face wash looks like. It comes in a transparent bottle, and I kind of appreciate it because it's always good to know how much of the product is left out, how much you get in the package. So it seems like a gel kind of a form, more like a solid gel. Now this one is with 4 main ingredients: mint oil, flaxseed, Tasmanian pepper fruit and apricot seed powder. The ingredients that you have in these products are very specific. They're kind of exotic ingredients, so very excited about that. This has no preservative. It is paraben free, chemical free, sulfate free and 100% vegetable sourced. And that is something I appreciate about the brand. So you have everything on the pack written. So it's always good to know why each of the ingredients are there and what benefits they give to our skin. The packaging seems very cool and clear, very neat, minimalist kind of a packaging. I love the minimalism kind of feel to the packaging. Smells very like mentholy. It does have mentha oil, so it has a very mentholy kind of a smell, but not too overpowering. It almost smells like a fruity menthol, which is nice because it has the Tasmania pepper fruit. I think that is one of the key ingredients which gives out the fragrance. How the product looks like, it almost looks like a blab of water, and what is good about it is like gel, like a slightly gel feel, almost like an aloe vera-ish feel. It has like scrublets. Great part is the scrublets are not microbeads. If you are using a face wash or any scrub with microbeads, stop using that. It's very bad for your skin. You have these scrublets which are natural, so either it has been out of some kind of fruit or scrapes and things like that. Now the scrublet in this one doesn't feel very rough. It doesn't feel plasticky or doesn't feel silicone-y, which is like a big no-no for skincare. So it feels pretty nice. Also, it has an immediate cooling effect. Once you put on the face, after wetting your face a little bit, it instantly cools off your face. But unlike those menthol face washes, it doesn't do it like overly. This one cools it down but does it in a very subtle way. Now, the overall texture is very, very, very gentle and light. It exfoliates in a very subtle, gentle manner, which I absolutely love. It doesn't foam too much since most of the ingredients are natural and they do not have a lot of chemicals in it. It does require a little more water than usual. Like the soapy face washes need less water because it washes up instantly. This one takes a little bit more since a more natural feel to it, more gentle, sticks to your face a little more. Once you use it, your face is completely like cooled down, very soft, gentle, and the scrublets scrub it in a very nice way. So your skin is like scrubbed off but like not scraped off. So I think that's a huge difference. I absolutely love the face wash. I've been using it since a few weeks now, and I feel it is one of those face washes that you would love to use in the morning. This is the perfect way to start your day, by using a little bit of it. A little bit is a long way to go. It doesn't require too much since the consistency is almost like liquidy aloe vera gelish kind. It is very good in terms of the quantity. You don't really require too much to apply and wash off. Overall, I think this is a face wash that everybody should try out once if you are looking for a nice, gentle, natural, chemical-free, paraben-free face wash. This is absolute must-have, definite try from my side. I've been using it since a while and I have loved it. So for my rating of this face wash, I'll be rating it a 4.5 out of 5. So now coming to the second product, which is the Sirona Hygiene Refreshing Intimate Wash. This is something I've been waiting to review since a long time. I've been using it since a few weeks. It has coconut oil, olive oil, oud oil. I haven't even heard about it much. Now it has again Tasmanian pepper fruit and Rhodelia rosea root. This is a certain kind of root that they use. It is again paraben free, sulfate free, chemical free. It maintains the skin acidic mantle pH, that is 3.5, and it has no chemical preservative and also is 100% vegetable sourced. Again, a huge applaud. Information regarding each of the ingredients and its benefits are being given on the box, so while you purchase it you can easily see it. This says it is perhaps the first intimate wash to use therapeutic plant extracts and real exotic oils which help maintaining healthy natural intimate flora and in controlling bad odor, irritation and itching. The biggest complaints I think I have heard against intimate washes is that your private part internally does not need any wash, since it's a self-cleaning part of our body, so it does self-clean itself. But remember one thing, intimate washes are not for your internal use. You're not supposed to use it inside, you're supposed to use it on the external part. So when you are going with your daily routine and you don't really take care of it, you can have a lot of irritation, rashes, you can form infections. This is for your external hygiene of the private area, and it's really important because apart from the whole fragrance part, which is very debatable, I won't even go there. The main important part is to keep it clean, neat, so that you don't form any infections, rashes, irritations and so. Once you open up the packaging, this is how the product looks like. It comes like a hand wash kind of a packaging, like a pump bottle. This one is very neat, clean, it's very minimalistic in nature. I love this kind of packaging. It's something that you can see, you know, you see how much of the product is left out, you see how much of it's used, you see exactly how the product looks like. The best thing I love about the packaging is its lock system. So here on the top you have written lock, open and stop, so you can twist and it opens, and you can pump it and then you can twist again and it stops. It's locked. That makes it so much more travel friendly. The smell is very fruity, kind of like floral fruity smell. The fragrance is not very on your face, but it is there, and it is going to be a little more strong than I expected. A lot of people say that, you know, fragrance is unnecessary for intimate washes, but at the same time it's an added benefit. If you really like to keep your place, you know, neat and clean, you would have a good fragrance with it. It's almost same as using soap on your body, so this is an added advantage that I would say. Coming to the actual feature of the product and how it is while washing, the texture is very watery, very liquidy, very watery. It's not all those gel types, so it's very light on your skin. It's not really intense, doesn't soap up, foam up your place. It's just little bit of it and you're done. So you just use water, little bit of it while showering or like taking a bath, and that's it. One pump and you're good to go. It doesn't foam that much at all. You can see on the top it foams a little bit, but this foam is a very liquidy foam, so it goes up as soon as you put water. So it has a very light texture to it. The feel after wash is very neat and clean. I found it to be very gentle on the skin, doesn't really rough up or doesn't give you any kind of burning sensation, doesn't give you all that. It's very neat, clean, and once you're done with it you feel really neat and clean down there, which is great, and that is exactly what we want. I really liked it, and I think for the prices is a must have. Grab and go and get it for yourself and try it out and see how well it is. So really like this. For my rating of this product, I'll be rating it a 4.7 out of 5. So with that, we are at our third and last product, and this is something I was waiting to tell you guys about since I've had a really surprising experience with it. This is the Sirona Natural No Chemical Actives Anti-Chafing Rash Cream. This is for rashes and soreness caused due to excessive sweat or burning in the intimate areas. Okay, this is another product I needed all my life but never got. So I'm so happy Sirona came out with this product, because I have this issue of having rashes and chafing of my skin all my life since school days. Due to friction, you have chafing of the skin, it goes red, it's painful, it's burning, yet you have to walk, you have to run, you have to do all those activities every day. So it used to be very tough for me. What I used to do is put a little bit of talcum powder that you get on those places, but it would go away in like minutes and it would not really last. So I'm so happy Sirona came out with this rash cream. It's absolutely something which is required. 25 grams of the product. This is a little more expensive than your generic cream. Once you open up the packaging, this is how the cream looks like. It comes in a cream form like this. You have a protected packet and you can just pull it out, and it is like, the smell is a little off for me. It smells a little bit like weird. It smells like a very powdery smell. I had a chafing of skin about a week ago. I was out for running, for grocery shopping. I was walking for half an hour. When I came back home, my entire thigh, from the inner part of my thigh, was completely chaffed off, and there were like red marks, and it was painful and it was burning. So I immediately took this cream because that was the perfect opportunity for me to use it. I took a little bit of the cream, I put it on that part, and I slept that night. You won't really believe the next day, about like the end of the next day, it was gone. There was no redness, there was no pain, there was no irritation, nothing. It was completely gone. And I felt so thankful that I could finally get my hands on a product which is so helpful for me. The cream is very light, it has a powdery feel, so once you put the cream you can feel like a little bit of a powdery feel, but not really powder. This one also has the two ingredients that we talked about before, that is Tasmanian pepper fruit leaf extract, and it also has the rhodiola roseo root extracts. These are two ingredients that are the main ones. Everything is written on the packaging as such, so it's great. So I was super happy with this product, and if you've ever faced this issue in your life, highly recommend it from my side. So for my rating of this product, I'll be rating it a 5 out of 5, a must have from my side. I have got my hands on these products from Amazon, so I'll be linking down the links for all of the products below. Also, you can check out other products from their range. They have loads of women hygiene range, from sanitary napkins, menstrual cups, and other creams and skincare products as well. So do go ahead and check out their page as well on Instagram. So follow them and check out their page. Go for the products that I've recommended in this video because these are amazing. I've used them myself and I've seen the results. So guys, with that, we're done with today's video. Hope you really found it informative and fun. Don't forget to like this video, share it across your social media, and also subscribe to my channel, because by doing so you support me and also help me make more such video for you guys. Do follow me on my social media as well, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm everywhere. You can follow me down. All the links will be down in the description box below. And with that, we are done. Hope you guys are safe and staying at home in quarantine. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy. Ciao!